Benefits of ChatGPT in business and finance. Including specific examples of actual business application for ChatGPT. Hello everyone, today I'm here to talk to you about the benefits of chatbot technology in business and finance. If you're a business owner or financial professional, you're likely already familiar with chatbot technology. Chatbots are computer programs that are programmed to interact with humans in a conversation-like format. They are typically used to provide customer service, answer customer queries, and provide personalized information about products and services. But what many people don't realize is that chatbot technology can also be used to improve business and finance operations. Here are a few of the ways that chatbots can help. First, chatbots can help reduce manual data entry, saving time and money. Chatbots can be programmed to collect data from customers and automatically enter it into a database or spreadsheet. This eliminates the need for manual data entry, saving businesses time and money. Second, chatbots can help streamline customer service processes. By automating common customer service tasks, chatbots can help businesses reduce wait times and improve customer satisfaction. Third, chatbots can provide personalized, real-time financial advice to customers. By using artificial intelligence, chatbots can be programmed to provide tailored financial advice to customers based on their individual needs and goals. Lastly, chatbots can help businesses increase their customer base by using automated lead generation. Chatbots can be programmed to identify potential customers and initiate conversations with them. This can help businesses quickly expand their customer base. As you can see, chatbot technology can provide a variety of benefits to businesses and financial professionals. It can help reduce manual data entry, streamline customer service processes, provide personalized financial advice, and generate leads. If you're looking to improve your business or financial operations, chatbot technology is definitely worth considering. Thank you for watching and I hope you found this video helpful.